What's going on, YouTube? There's Luis. There's Luis. That's Luis. That's fucked up.
We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the bad in the past, now we alright.
Bro, we calling true. Nah, bro. Ah, get my cigarette, bro. You know, no, bro. You better get my own leg.
Anyways, we're having a great old time. Luis decided to pour water on every single fucking person here. Austin wants to get sponsored by Coors. Dre wants to get sponsored by Mexico. Cody got sponsored by Mexico. There's gonna be so much cutting in this from their foul mouths to get sponsored by Reds. You guys may be wondering why I'm the only one vlogging. So am I. I don't know if you can hear me. We're in Cody's car. Right now we're going to RS. Oh fuck, where'd we go? It's a dark ass highway. We're going to RS. Where's it at? Mexico. Yeah. That's the place. Mexico. RS.
You gonna ride with him? Yeah.
Cody's car broke too. Everybody's fucking car broke. When did you do that to your bumper? In the garage. God damn.
Should have set this in the car. Get your toolkit out of here. I'm the toolkit king.
You're just a fucking tool. Kiss me. I don't know about that. Kiss me. There you go. There's your kiss. Dude, this is gay.
Gang, gang. Bang, bang.
Why open it? Can you get closer?
Who's faster, you or the silver one?
Huh?
Who's faster, you or the silver one?
Silver one right now. He's on a bigger turbo.
You really hard as fuck with stock turbo and overheating.
So what's wrong with it?
Tension wrench broken.
Where?
This is supposed to be pressed up against the belt. Holy shit. Are you tightening the bolts on it?
I'm trying to. I don't think the one on the back, I have no way to hold it so it'll tighten.
Nobody can hold it for you?
No, the one on the back, I don't have a ratchet big enough for that. It's like a fucking 22.
It's a weird shape, it looks like. Talking about the one down at the bottom? Right under the pulley?
Yeah.
The one that's broken?
Yeah, it is. It's fucking broken. My car's broken.
That's like a small delay.
What? Ow, I smashed my finger.
Not that.
Not that.
Oh, so you're not gonna.
Z06 about to drag some ass. I see the walk. I see the Corvette walk.
Hey, bro.
Got the laces double tied.
Luis is gonna vlog next
everywhere.
time. He promises.
Promise. Gotcha.
Intercooler install.
Videos.
Hey man,
He's about to drag everyone in that Z06.
No, Sam, that ain't even mine.
that's a kit car, bro.
That's my car.
So right now we're just trying to take Cody's car home and trying to get his car home. There's nothing else to it. I'll update it as we get there, as I get back to my car. And that's gonna go ahead and do it for this vlog. Really, I know it wasn't a super exciting night, but I am assuming like when you upload, like it lets you get to know people, it helps you get to know the people vlogging a little more. Like I said, Luis is gonna be doing the next video. Hopefully, it will be his front mount install on his car. He started the video the other day. A bunch of shit went wrong. He didn't end up getting it done, but he is gonna do it soon. Hopefully before Streetcar Takeover, and Dre is probably going to be the one to vlog Streetcar Takeover. One of us three will do it, and then hopefully we kind of figure out like a rhythm for this. Not like an upload rhythm, but like a, I don't know, like develop our own style, I guess. I mean, I kind of already have mine. I don't know what theirs are. I've had a YouTube channel before, they have not. So like I said, this is where I'm closing this out. I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Ignore all the vape. I know that I said I would do an update, so here's the update. Cody's car didn't overheat on the way home. Bye.